Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Bangla with Tinkers. Today we shall learn colors name in Bangla. So colors name in Bangla will be in 3 parts, actually 4 parts, a bonus part in the end. So first we'll learn the colors name, then we'll play a game with the colors in the next video, and then in the third video we shall learn some sentences where we can use the color names in Bangla. So let's start. Okay, let me just make my video smaller. And colors in Bangla or color names in Bangla. Bangla ronger naam. Bangla ronger naam. Rong means color, naam means name. Bangla is Bangla. So Porbo ek means part 1. So in part 1 we'll learn the color names. Okay, so let's begin with yellow. Yellow is Hooluud. Look how I pronounce. It's Hooluud. Hooluud is yellow. Hooluud. 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 Okay. So some examples with yellow color: ripe lemons, paka lebu. So lebu, Hooluud. Surjomukhi, sunflower. Surjomukhi, sunflower is Hooluud. And the sun, Surjo. Surjo is Hooluud. Okay, next color. Next color is blue, Neel. Neel. Say with me. Next color is Neel. Neel. Neel is blue. So some examples with the color blue is Neel Timi, blue whale. Blue whale in Bangla is called Neel Timi. And then blue pants, pant. Pant in Bangla is also pant. Some say pajama, but pajama is a different thing. So blue jeans is color blue. And butterfly, projapoti. Look, butterfly, projapoti. Projapoti. Projapoti is color blue. Next color is green, shobuj. 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 সবুজ দিয়ে কিছু উদাহরণ। সবুজ হলো গাছের পাতা। Leaves are green. You can see here pata. Pata is leaves. Okay. And some frogs are also green. Frog in Bangla is bang. Bang. And there are some turtles who have green color in them. Turtle is kotchop. Kotchop. Look at the Bangla spelling. কচ্ছপ, here is a conjugated letter or যুক্ত বর্ণ। এখানে একটা যুক্ত বর্ণ আছে, ক চ ছ প, কচ্ছপ। তাহলে পাতা, ব্যাং, কচ্ছপ হলো সবুজ। পাতা, ব্যাং, কচ্ছপ আর green. Next example, it's red, the color of my shirt. Red, লাল. So red is tormuz. Tormuz. Tormuz is watermelon. Look at the spelling. To, ro, mo, shosho u, jo. Tormuz. Tormuz. Okay. Another is golab, rose. Tormuz is watermelon and golab. Golab is rose. Go, okar. ল আকার প, গোলাপ. গোলাপ. গোলাপ is red. And then apple. Apple in Bangla we call it apel. The sound is a little bit distorted. Apel. So it's shore a, প, একার and ল. আপেল. আপেল. তাহলে এগুলো হলো লাল রঙের, লাল, red. Next color is Beguni. So there's a little bit confusion among people. Some call Beguni to be violet and some call the color purple to be Beguni. So Beguni is this color. Beguni can be a brinjal or eggplant, you know, and we call it begun. The color Beguni comes from the fruit or vegetable, comes from the vegetable begun. Begun is eggplant or brinjal, begun, and the color name is Beguni. Okay, this octopus is beguni color and some people, this is called actually purple. Some balloons are also beguni color. So octopus, balloon, begun. So actually the color of the violet or purple begun or brinjal or eggplant, that's the main color of beguni. Okay, begun, and the color is beguni. Okay, let's compare between colors. Here you say at the left side it's red, and these are the shades of red, অর্থাৎ লাল রঙের বিভিন্ন ধরন বা শেড। and then comes magenta here. magenta এর বাংলা ম্যাজেন্টা, বাংলাতেও ম্যাজেন্টাই বলে। so লাল, red, magenta, ম্যাজেন্টার বাংলা হলো ম্যাজেন্টা। so the magenta color is magenta in Bangla also. Then comes purple color is here, and after that comes violet color. Okay, beguni is in between here, in between purple and violet. These colors are called beguni. So in between purple and violet, beguni is such a color. Okay, beguni. Okay, then comes komala. The fruit komala, orange, and the color komala, orange. Same here in Bangla. Orange is komala. Komala color is komala, the fruit, orange or tangerine. Komala is gajor, carrot, gajor, and then pumpkin, kumbra, or some say it mishti kumbra, sweet pumpkin, mishti kumbra, sweet pumpkin, or just pumpkin, kumbra. Okay, next it's white, shada. এর আগেরটা কি ছিল? It was কমলা, then shada. Okay, and the previous one was lal, it is lal, magenta, then purple, then comes this one is beguni, and then comes violet. Okay, komala, shada, and shada chicken, murgi, mo hrosou, ro go hrosoi, murgi, and bhera. Although it's written bhoy ekar, doi bindu roy akar, the pronunciation will be bhera. And another one is white color cat, biral is cat. Then comes the color black, kalo, black, kalo, shada, kalo, white, black, shada, kalo, juta, shoes, juta, crow, kak, and spider, makorsha, makorsha, ko akar ko, kak, and juta, kak, makorsha, এগুলো হলো কালো রঙের, কালো, black. And then comes pink, golapi. You know the rose means golap, and pink rose actually golapi is the name of the color. Okay, some books their cover are golapi, boy, golapi, fool, flower, fool, and shaban, soap. Some soaps are also pink. Okay, then comes badami. Say with me, badami, brown is banor, bo akar, no boy shunno ro, banor. Then comes coconut, narkel, na ro koi ekar আর ল, নারকেল, and bear, ভাল্লুক. Here look, it's law and law, conjugated letter, ভাল্লুক is called bear. Okay, বানর, নারকেল, ভাল্লুক, এগুলো হলো বাদামি রঙের, বাদামি, brown color. Then comes Aasmani, sky blue. Aasmani, Asmani, Ashmani or Aasmani. Ashmani, some say it Ashmani or some say it Aasmani. Aasmani color holo sky blue. Pen, column. This pen is sky blue or Aasmani color. Pakhi, blue pakhi. Aasmani ronger pakhi. And then comes ghuri, kite, ghuri. So column, pakhi, ghuri, egulo holo Aasmani rong. Aasmani, sky blue. The sky is also sky blue. Okay, that's the end of part 1. In part 2, we shall play a game together where we shall revise all the colors name with monsters. Okay, for the next video, see you. Allah Hafiz, Shubha Biday.